Are you suffering from acidity, bloating, indigestion, feeling fullness, or want to know what is the ideal diet you should follow regularly? Then this video is for you. Modern work culture and urban lifestyle pushes us to do unhealthy things that does more damage than good to our bodies. Food is important for social, physical, mental and spiritual well-being. Why ahara or food is important to us? According to Ayurveda, food is considered as Upastambha, one of the supporting pillars of life. Prinana provides good nutrition. Balakrit enhances strength and immunity. Utsaha Vivardhanam enhances enthusiasm. Arogya improves health. Mahabhaishajya, best medicine. As the saying goes, eat food like medicine and don't eat medicines like food. 10 rules of diet in Ayurveda. Kale Satmyam, food should be consumed at proper time. Studies has shown food consumed at proper or scheduled time is suggested as best strategy for good health in Ayurveda and would reduce metabolic diseases. Kala Bhojanam is not generalized like keto or other diets normally followed these days. It depends on individual's physical constitution, type and nature of food, emotional status of person, condition of digestive and excretory system along with seasonal and climatic variations. Shuchihitam, food should be accustomed or locally available, clean, suited to health. Snigdha Ushna and Laghu, food should be unctuous, warm and easily digestible. Tanmana, consuming food with due attention. When you eat while watching television or cell phone or reading, your concentration deviates and brain gets distracted and sends out wrong signals and hence leads to overeating. According to studies, watching TV doesn't help in burning calories, rather it reduces the metabolic rate at which you should ideally digest the food and gain energy. Na atidruta vilambitam, that means avoid eating too slow or too fast. Matravat, adequate quantity. Have adequate quantity of food suitable to your body type, neither too less nor too much. Shrutavan, avoid eating large quantity of food even before previous meal is digested. Eat only after having good hunger. Listen to self. Look for sense of hunger like Shuddha Udgara or pure belching, which is an important sign for proper digestion. If the food is digested properly, the belching should be clear and should not carry the smell or taste of the food. Have 6 to 8 hours gap in between two meals. Dhauta Pada Karananaha, that means eat food after washing feet, hands and face. Tarpayitva Pitrun, Devan, Athitin, Balakan, Gurun, after satisfying the Pitrus, gods, guests, children and Guru. Chatrasa Madhura Prayam, food should include all 6 tastes: sweet, sour, salt, bitter, pungent and astringent. And start food always with the sweet. Eating the sweet item first enables the flow of digestive secretions. By pushing the sweet to the last, you would slow down the digestive process and it may cause fermentation and indigestion due to acidic secretions. This could also trigger gas formation and bloating. To counter these effects, Ayurveda suggests that one must start food with something sweet, followed with sour, salty and bitter in the middle and finally spicy or astringent. This is the reason chewing of betel leaves is still in practice after food. When we say start with sweet, Ayurveda always takes us towards close to the nature like fruits, as it is a natural sweetener. If you have made any dessert, serve it as a starter. That dessert should not be cooked with milk. Milk doesn't go with salt or sour taste. It is considered as Viruddhahara in Ayurveda. If you have further queries, you can ask in the comment section below or drop an email. Don't forget to like and share the video if you feel this would help even one person in your connection. Thank you.